What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Harley bar. It's the first time y'all ever seen this one. So today we got a little bit of a first opening review for you on something that Simon just got. Tell us about it.
I found these on a Facebook ad actually from Trip Machine. Never heard of them before, and I saw that they had leather wraps on your handlebars, so on your grips. So that's pretty easy, pretty cheap. They're only like 25 to 30 bucks. And they had like tobacco leather, brown, they had black, and they also had cherry red. And so just got this in. I thought this box is pretty cool.
Yeah, let's check out that box. So look how slick that is. Pretty neat.
So haven't opened it yet, but I thought we'll do this all together. So we got ourselves a little sticker.
Nice.
Peace Love Motorcycle. Trip Machine. That'll be going inside my saddle bag. A little thank you card. That's so sweet. Appreciation of the customer. What's we got? Super glue.
Super glue.
Did not know we got super glue with this. A little rocket ship. Another little handcraft art piece that they're bragging about. A little instructions. A little keep it clean, protection from water, and cleaning the product.
Protection from it?
Yeah, that's a little. I ride in all weather, so I guess I'll do like a 6-month review. There's the Trip Machine logo right on top of the leather. This is really soft. There's a 3M strip on the back.
So what do you need the super glue for?
That's what I'm wondering.
3M strip.
It's probably when you end it, you might want to super glue the very ends and the very tips right here.
Yeah, maybe.
Where you cut it, because this is a lot. It's in a lot of excess.
Yeah, I mean,
leather. So when you cut it off, you might want to like super glue this in, or any of these flaps.
Good point.
So
yeah, I mean, I definitely don't read instructions, so
I don't either.
let's go put these on the bike, man. Yeah, real quick.
So what's this say? Oh, he even like signed it. Alright, first off, we gotta put that sticker around.
Dude.
Yeah.
Dude.
Fuck it up.
Oh, man. Okay.
Who cares?
Who cares?
Hey, look at that. Nice little wear and tear already. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that look. Now, a little pro tip. Simon says, when you're putting on adhesives, you want to make sure that the place is clean.
The place is clean?
That you're putting the adhesives on. So, get your first aid kits out. Take out your alcoholic swabs and destroy it over your handlebars like that. Your hand grips, I mean. I need to work on my terminology. That's nice and clean. Clean this one off.
Let it dry. Let it dry before you go ahead and... Simon's impatient.
I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Test it out. Good thing he's got his earphones. Look at the little puppers.
Look, little dog.
You can see the nice cut line in there. It's when you
wait, hold on. Let's show the people.
Trip Machine.
I know. Just gonna get it laid out to see where we want to be here. Not we, it's Simon's bike. Yeah, whatever. This is gonna look so cool.
You're just gonna steal it.
I might have to do that. No, I got heated grips. I don't know if that would.
I was wondering about that. I think someone did put in their comments like asking about that.
Yeah, don't do it if you have heated grips.
Yeah. I gotta double check again. So Trip Machine.
You want to get the Trip Machine like logo in there. I think you could probably do it a whole lot tighter. That looks so good, man.
Dude, that's dope.
Looks like it's gonna be a little long though.
Yeah, they said cut it.
Oh, as this is, it recommends to cut it.
That's probably where the super glue comes in right there. You know what? What if I did this way?
Oh, and then that might be better.
Or get all the YouTube out, see how they did it. In a minute, 30 seconds they had it. Ain't nothing wrong with double checking. Measure twice, cut once, boys.
Stop watching my review to go look at how someone else did it better, and then come back.
Go on Trip Machine's actual YouTube channel and look how they did it for 1:29. 1 minute 19 seconds tutorial. Self-explanatory, but I want to make sure I got the placement right.
So Trip Machine does have a video about it?
Yeah, I watched it once, but that was like 3 weeks ago.
Oh, okay, cool.
Ah, you're right, clean handlebars. So they've only been making these for about 2 years. And to think how simple of a product this is. If this blows up, this could be a heck of a killing.
I mean,
good on these guys making it.
Trip Machines, like, they've been around for a while. I've heard of them for years. So, Trip Machine recommends that you mock it up first. You leave the tape on, like Simon's doing here, and then you go ahead and mock it up and make sure you see how you want to do it, and then you take the tape off and go ahead and wrap it.
What I'm trying to do is look, if you can see how much overlay the leather is lining up all the 3M strips, so it's gonna be nice and smooth.
Smart.
But then you see that I'm not long enough, so I need to redo that.
So he's gonna need to space it out a little bit. I mean, you're probably gonna want the grooves, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's looking like that. Oh, that's perfect.
That is perfect, dude. Hell yeah.
Okay, can we just leave it how it is?
Yeah, dude, that's amazing. Yeah, look how sick that is. That's awesome.
Then when the sun hits that and that fades out a little bit.
Yeah, dude. So what color did you go with here?
That's cherry red.
This is cherry red?
We got 2 types of browns, a black and cherry red.
Cherry red for the red pony. All right, now we're going ahead, they said, remove the tape a little bit, just a portion of it, and go ahead and start, and then you remove the tape more as you go.
Activate the sticky.
Yeah.
By using the fingernails you may or may not have. Get that stickiness ready. Access activated.
All right. Go on the other side. Flip your hat around backwards.
Yeah, it makes you. It helps with your intelligence and focus 100 times more.
You want to make sure you look like a hot boy doing this. So. All right, Simon.
She's not perfect, but she's good.
One side done. A little Trip Machine showing right there. That's nice. Awesome. Knock out the other side right quick like.
I'll double check again, I'm sorry.
It's a good looking car. I like those.
Oh God! Okay, we're good. Didn't hit the ground.
Jesus.
Golly.
I got you, dog. You don't need me. Oh, this side's gonna be weird because it's gonna roll. Yeah. Throttle side might be a little odd. So you want to make sure you're doing it pretty tight. Keep some tension on it while you're doing this. Good.
As good as it gets. That looks nasty.
Nasty? I like it.
Yeah, right there. This one ends underneath it.
Get on it and like give me your thoughts. Wrap this up, man. Don't do that.
The only thing I don't like is that it's right here at my fingertips. And I feel like I'm gonna pick at that.
Oh, maybe.
I'm gonna rub. It's gonna come off. Maybe that's why they give you super glue. Tape that on there.
Golly. All right. So packaging was cool. The product feels good. looks amazing.
I'm surprised. I'll like to see if I do like a 4-hour ride one day, how my hands feel on this. If these, being that it's leather, and that if it's like leather gloves when you ride, if they help absorb some of the vibrations.
Yeah.
The fatigue of it. See if that helps at all.
Yeah.
Nah, we'll see.
All right. Keep watching the channel, and
thank you for your time.
we'll update you in a little bit once Simon's been riding it for a little while, randomly in the future. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Y'all have a good one.